Meaning of gumbo.
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 Gumbo. Gumbo is a traditional dish from the southern United States that originated in Louisiana. It is a thick soup or stew made with a roux, a mixture of flour and fat, vegetables, seafood or meat, and often okra. The word gumbo comes from the Bantu word for okra, which is a key ingredient in many traditional gumbo recipes. Gumbo is known for its rich flavor, spicy kick, and hearty texture. It has become an iconic symbol of Creole and Cajun cuisine, and is enjoyed by people all over the world as a comforting and flavorful meal.